Ali? Uy, Ali. Ali,
Ha?
okay ka lang?
Oo. Medyo low on energy na ako today. Di kasi ako nag-breakfast eh.
Ganun. Anyways, pinag-uusapan lang namin yung bago nating group work. Sa Monday na ipe-present. Ikaw na ulit leader, ah.
Sa Monday na agad? O sige, ako na bahala. Basta gawin niyo yung parts niyo ha.
Bye, Ali. Bye.
Ali? Ali? Alas-sign niyo sa paggawa ng countdown pugmats for the college week next Wednesday. Kaya naman ba mag-send ng drafts by Monday? Just so we have room for possible revisions.
Sure po. Kaya naman po by Monday.
Ice mocha for Ali.
I asked for a mocha frap though. Ipa-take out ko na lang ba to?
Complete order na po ba sila?
Yes po. Thank you. Good afternoon po, Doktora. Sorry, I was a bit late. Nasa cafe po kasi ako ngayon eh. Kakakuha ko lang ng order ko.
No, Ali, you're good. Ka lang. Halos kaka-admit ko lang din naman sa'yo dito. You weren't late at all. And on that note, should we start?
Okay po, Doc.
So how have you been feeling lately for last checkup? Are you still taking your pills as prescribed, ha? Hindi sa pagkagising at sa bago matulog.
Yes po, Doktora. I make sure to take my pills daily.
Okay, that's good. How about your stress level? Hirapan ka ba sa
Oh, sakto, nakauwi ka na pala. I was just about to order dinner kasi wala din sila mom. Ano gusto mo? Fast food, Mexican food, Japanese food?
Kahit ano na lang, ate. Nakagaling ko lang kasi sa cafe kanina. Busog pa. I got you iced mocha though.
Oh, grabe ka naman. You didn't have to, pero thank you ah. And sige, ako na bahala. Katok na lang ulit ako sa room mo mamaya.
Di ka pa malaya.
tagal ng tulog mo Akala ko ba nap lang? Gabi na oh. Come on, let's go study na.
5 more minutes ate. Tinatamad pa ako.
Ay, nako Ali, tigilan mo ko Sabi mo sasamahan mo ako gumawa ng schoolworks. Come on, tara na. Come on, let's go. Nako, ikaw talaga kailangan pa natutulog. Come on. Hmm, 11:35 na pala. I need a snack. Gusto mo rin ba?
Aww, lulutuan mo ako ng ramyon? Bait mo talaga ate. Thank you!
Thank you sa choice Partida, nakaidlip ka na niyan kanina. O sige na, tara na, matulog na tayo. Let's just continue everything tomorrow.
No, ate, need ko pa tapusin to.
Hey, come on. Di mo rin naman matatapos lahat yan by tonight. You have to rest in.
No, paano pag di ako makagraduate ng grade 12 kasi hindi ko to napasa on time?
Ali, alam mo, you're always doing so good. Don't push yourself too hard. Makakagraduate ka ng senior high this year. Don't worry. Kaya, tara na. Ito ka na sa kwarto mo. Ako na magliligpit ng mga gamit mo dito.
Ha? Patuloy na kain ng ramyon. I mean, pagkatapos ko silang tulungan, hindi man lang sila magpasalamat sa akin. Ako na nga itong nagpapakahira para sa homework nila, tapos hindi pa nila ako isasama sa gala.
Kasi naman, Ali, di ba sinabi ko na sa'yo huwag ka nang sasama sa kanila? And alam mo, I knew that they were up to no good when I saw you guys together. And tignan mo, halata naman eh. They never really liked you. They were just using you for their grades.
Ice mocha and mocha frap for Cassie.
Wait lang, kunin ko lang drinks natin. Hey, wait!
Bakit mo ba pinipilit na maglaw si Ali? Yung bata.
Are you telling me that you don't want Ali to follow in your footsteps? You don't want her to have a guaranteed future?
Just hear your daughter out and...
Not too much of the last year, but I knew who I was when I got here. Guess I'm still the same, but only entirely different. And my love is just some lines of
Mapapahiya lang siya.
I don't think you hear from any of your peers at all, El. Masyado kang busy dyan sa pinagmamalaki mong trabaho mo. You barely show up for the kids.
Aba, para naman lagi ka rin ako sa
Ali?
bahay,
Gising ka ba? Gusto mo bang manood ng movie?
Sa susunod na lang ate. I want to be alone for tonight.
Are you sure? Okay ka lang ba? I also wanted to talk to you about what happened kanina. Pwede ba akong pumasok?
No! Ate, pwede ba? Just this once, can you stop taking control of my life? Just because I'm younger doesn't mean na pwede mo na akong maliitin at utus-utusan. Just leave me alone. God.
Sorry. Ali? Saan ka naman pupunta ng gantong oras, Ali? sakto, gising ka na pala. I cooked you scrambled eggs. Ano po tayo? Abby, is there something wrong? Okay ka lang ba?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry for going out that night. I'm sorry for making you go out of your way just to make sure that I'm safe. I'm sorry for being such a selfish sister. If only I knew that you would get into that accident.
Ali, stop saying sorry. If anything, I should be the one apologizing. I thought that maybe if hindi kita pinagsabihan nun sa cafe, hindi mo ako ipagtataboy that night. And I thought that you were mad at me after you found out that I followed you to that party. Ali, you've been so busy with school. Nag-aalala na ako kasi parang hindi mo maalagaan sarili mo. It hurts not to be there for you. Not to take care of you. And I thought that you knew that we can lean on each other. No, kung alam mo lang, your reliance on me actually gave me purpose. It felt like being your sister felt like I made sense in this world. That there's at least one person in my life that could value all the love I could give. But ever since the accident, you've always been avoidant. Nawalan ako ng purpose. Kapatid. At ang best friend na Ali.
Pero kasi, I feel so stupid for getting mad at you for something so trivial. You were clearly looking out for me back then, and I didn't realize that. Takot lang siguro ako mawalan ng kaibigan noon. But now I know what really matters to me. I didn't want to face the truth. And I'm sorry if nadamay ka dahil dun.
I'm sorry too for being insensitive. Hindi ko dapat binaliwala yung nararamdaman mo dati. Ali, I hope you can openly welcome me again.
Is there something I can do to make it up to you?
What about we go back to being best friends? Does that sound good?
That's it for our presentation. Thank you. Thank you, ladies. Please settle down. Take your seats na. Okay. Before we end the class, I would like to announce that for your midterms, I would like you to conduct a research. Each of you may choose whether to do this individually or by group, but only a maximum of 3 members each, ha? So if you have any questions, just approach me, okay?
Ano, tayo ulit? May naisip ka ng topic?
Actually, naisip ko na mag-individual na lang muna eh. Okay lang ba?
Aw, sayang naman. Ang galing mo pa namang leader. Pero okay lang if di mo na tayo groupmates. Good luck!
Ali, would it be okay if ikaw na rin gumawa ng scheduled PubMats ng college week? Hindi, sige. We can give it to another member na lang. Sa'yo naman na naka-assign yung countdown PubMats, right? So, pasend na lang sa akin mamaya via email yung drafts mo, okay?
I'd appreciate that po. Noted din po ito. Salamat po.
Luto na yung ramen ha. Gusto mo kunan na kita?
Hindi, Ali. Ako nakukuha mamaya. I just have to finish this paper real quick.
Sige. Basta, in 5 minutes, if di ka pa rin tapos dyan, ako na kukuha para sa'yo ha.
Okay. Ali? Oh, gising ka na pala. Ang aga mo pala nagigising tuwing may pasok ka. Kamusta tulog mo? Di ka naman binangungot.
Actually, I had a very light sleep. Ngayon lang ako gumising ng walang alarm. Oh, and natapos mo ba yung paper mo last night?
Di nga eh. I have to finish it tonight though. Teka lang. I'm surprised your face is not puffy, ah. After all...
Oops, sabi ko sa'yo, di ako nagigising sa alarm ko eh. Anyways, going back. Yes, my face is not puffy at all. Kasi uminom ako ng maraming tubig last night before I sleep. Oh my gosh! That was one time, ate. Kalimutan mo na yun. Tagal-tagal no. Ilang taon na nakalipas. Teka lang. Bakit ka ba nasa room ko? Kailangan ko na mag-prepare for school. Malilate na ako. Ate! Sige na! Bigat-bigat mo! Hindi ko na nakuha yung blanket! Finally, tumayo na rin siya. Okay, habang nandyan ka, can you please prepare me breakfast? Maghahanda lang ako para sa school. Thank you so much! My life, bakit
Cut. Okay. Cut. Ay, ang galing no.
I'm so awkward. I was like here and there.
Kailangan magsalita si Kuya.
Ay, happy siya.